Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Saika bin Mahdi. My matrix number 25 DET2C 1F1065.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Al-Putra bin Muhammad Saifuddin. My matric number is 25 DET24 F1071.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizki bin Muhammadiyah. My matric number is 25 DET 24 F1071. Today we want to talk about 10 steps how to use and clean this table fan. Firstly, you need to turn off and disconnect the fan and unplug it like this. Make sure the fan is disconnected from the power first for safety. Step 2, you must remove the front cover like this.
Next, we want the front leg and the cover with the soap. Next, we dry under the sunlight like this. Step 5, assemble the part of the fan. Make sure these two parts are securely locked.
Step 8, ensure all the cover is tight and not loose. Step 9, we plug in the socket and turn on the power source and adjust the speed.